How to increase REM and deep sleep? If you're wondering how to get more of that restorative sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to increase both your REM and deep sleep. First, let's talk about the importance of a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps your body maintain a healthy circadian rhythm. This consistency is key for both REM and deep sleep, as it helps your body regulate the different stages of sleep. Next, creating a relaxing bedtime routine can make a big difference. Activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing yoga and meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall into a deep and restful sleep. Avoid discussing or thinking about stressful topics before bed, as this can interfere with your ability to relax. Your sleep environment is also crucial. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Use earplugs, sound machines, or blackout curtains if necessary. A comfortable bed and pillows are essential, and avoid having TVs, smartphones, or computers in your bedroom because the light from these screens can disrupt your sleep. Exercise is another important factor, but timing is everything. Regular exercise can help improve sleep quality, but avoid exercising within a few hours of bedtime, as it can actually keep you awake. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Avoiding certain substances can also help. Caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can all reduce the quality of your sleep and make it harder to get into the deeper stages of sleep. Try to avoid these substances in the evening, especially close to bedtime. For REM sleep specifically, it's important to get enough total hours of sleep. Since REM sleep occurs mostly in the second half of the night, sleeping for too short a period may not allow you to complete all the REM sleep cycles. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Managing stress is vital for deep sleep. Stress and anxiety can make it difficult to fall into the deeper stages of sleep. Engage in calming activities before bed, and if stress persists, consider talking to a doctor for additional help. Finally, if you're dealing with sleep disorders or other medical conditions that affect your sleep, it's important to seek professional help. Treating sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea, and adjusting medications that may interfere with sleep can significantly improve the quality of your REM and deep sleep. By following these tips, you can improve the quality of your sleep, ensuring you get more of the restorative REM and deep sleep that your body needs to feel refreshed and healthy.